Hey, welcome back to the Brothers Workshop. As always, my name's Dave. Today's episode, we're going to be bringing you a little content geared around the 2015 Silverado. This truck is relatively new to our shop, but we've got a little issue with the back of the seat here. As you guys can see, these trucks from 2014 to 2015, I believe they changed it to 2016, have the back plastic cover. They don't have cloth that goes all the way down. And so that thing comes off, or if it's been replaced, it could actually break and cause issue. This truck, the day after I purchased it, that thing fell off. Someone had broken it down prior. They Velcroed it back in. Well, that's a solution that didn't work. I don't want to have to go and pay the 120, 150 bucks right now that a new panel will cost, because the clips are broken off of that original panel at some point. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick fix that hopefully zips this thing back up nice and tight and you won't be able to tell that it's there. The plan is that this thing's gonna work out as a temporary fix. Hey, who knows? If it stays nice and tight, maybe it stays a permanent fix so we don't have to pay that 100 bucks just to get a piece of plastic on the back of the seat. But let's get to it. Now I'm using this deep well bit because I lost my shorter one and that's all I got for right now. Should do the job just fine. As you can see, down here some Velcro, here's some Velcro. They got some Velcro here, here. That's not factory. And so that and the Velcro on the other side really tipped off what's going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to tie a zip tie in there. As you can see, there's a hole. We've got a hole here and some on the opposite side as well. Here on the back side of the panel, you can see that this here and this here sit up into the top of the seat. Down here there should be a bracket here as well. These clips here and here and here should return this much the same way this does. So that just clips in. Well, previous owner snapped those off. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in here, here, and we're going to do the same down on the bottom. And we're going to loop those zip ties through there and see if we can just cinch that up real tight. So there we go. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes drilled. 2 down here, 2 in the middle, and 3 up top here to help pull it up and tight. There was some kind of foam padding in here and there. So that foam padding that was there has long since disappeared. I'm hoping it doesn't create any rattle noise. This truck has been prone to some rattle noise. I'm sure some of you guys out there have had that issue before. But hopefully it being pulled tight enough, we won't have to worry about that. Now we've got those holes drilled, we've got these nylon zip ties, 14-inch 20 pack, and we'll have plenty to get that all tied up there hopefully. All right, guys, that's it. Quick, simple, easy fix. Something that, you know, I wish didn't have to do, but here we go. Let's take a look. And as you can see, this now looks back like it's factory. It's simple, quick, easy to do, just those zip ties, and cinch them up real nice and tight, and this thing actually, as you can see, is just like factory again. I'm super pumped. It was kind of a pain that thing looked like that. Southwest. All right, that's it. It was a quick, simple, easy fix. Now we got this thing looking back to normal. Be on the lookout for some more content of the 2015. It is our newest shop truck, and we will be doing some stuff to it. We are going to be doing a level kit out front because this thing's got a grandpa lean, and like Sean's truck, we want to get rid of that. Also, check out that cool Karma Gia back there. Pretty cool. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, if this helped you guys, if you're running into the same problem, don't know how to fix it, and don't want to go and buy that $150 piece, feel free to give us that thumbs up button if you did. So not only does it help us with the YouTube algorithm, letting other people know that we've got good content, but it also lets us know that you guys appreciate what we're doing here. And go ahead and hit subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. We're going to come out with new content all the time, and we want you guys to come along for the ride. Hey, but like always, keep building.